Welcome, DIY enthusiasts, to the wild and unpredictable world of slime making. Today we embark on a thrilling journey, a daring adventure into the unknown. But first, let's start with a glue bottle. Just a regular bottle of glue, the kind you'd find in any old stationery drawer. Now imagine staring at it for what feels like an eternity, willing it to transform into a glorious, squishy blob of slime. Alas, it remains stubbornly unchanged. But don't despair just yet. Remember, we're in the realm of DIY, the kingdom of improvisation. You glance at your shopping list and realize you forgot to buy the rest of the ingredients. The panic is brief, but then you remember who you are, a master improviser. You don't need instructions, you've got creativity on your side. So glue in a bowl or pot, check. Now what? After a quick look in the pantry, we found flour. Close enough, right? You see, in our grand slime-making adventure, we're not bound by the conventional rules of chemistry. Flour into the glue it goes. How much, you ask? Well, let's just eyeball it. 1 handful, 2 handfuls, 3 handfuls. Sounds about right. Now, the question arises, to mix or not to mix? We're not ones to keep suspense, so let's stir it up. There's something oddly soothing about stirring this gooey mixture, isn't there? And then it hits us. We've forgotten something crucial. The color. A moment of panic ensues. Food coloring? Too time-consuming. We decide to accept our fate. Our slime will not be a vibrant green or a shocking pink. It will be the color of, well, disappointment. But that's all right, it's our disappointment and we're owning it. So we have a bowl of disappointment-colored goo. Perfect! Now stir the mixture with whatever you have on hand. Cleanliness? Who's she? So you found an old spoon in the sink. It might not be the cleanest option, but at this point, you're so invested in your slime experiment, a little extra flavor won't hurt, right? Besides, it adds character. But then, the panic sets in. Your slime is looking less like the glittery gooiness of your dreams and more like a doughy disaster. It's nothing like those picture-perfect Instagram creations. The thought of throwing in the towel and ordering pizza crosses your mind. But wait, you're a slime-making champion in the making. You've got this. This is your moment. Take a deep breath, summon your inner Picasso, and keep stirring. Embrace the imperfections, the mess, the chaos. This is your masterpiece after all. Our slime doesn't look like the Instagram ones, but hey, that's the charm. Now, it's time for the grand reveal of our masterpiece. Let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty in the imperfection. After all, perfection is overrated, right? This blob of gooey magic is not just any slime. It's a testament to your creativity, resilience, and the sheer power of improvisation. Don't worry if it doesn't look like those glossy Instagram posts. This is the real deal, raw and unfiltered, just like your journey to create it. Let's give it a name that truly reflects its uniqueness and your artistic genius. How about existential goo? Sounds profound, doesn't it? And there you have it, folks, your very own one-of-a-kind slime creation. It may not be picture perfect, but it's a masterpiece in its own right. Congratulations, you survived the slime-making adventure. You've proved that you don't need a map to navigate the uncharted waters of creativity. Now go and revel in your slime-making prowess.
Craving more how-to goodness? Subscribing not only fuels our creative fire, but unlocks a treasure trove of tutorials guaranteed to level up your life. So, why wait? Hit that subscribe button now and dive into a world of endless possibilities. And explore our other videos for a journey towards success.